Hey Wiseells, how's it going? Me and my mom are back with another video, and this time we are making
Bistec.
bistec with onions and tomatoes. And I've been having this since I was a little kid. My mom's been having it since she was a little kid. Grandma definitely had some cooking skills. I remember my grandma's cooking and it was so delicious. And we're also going to make two sides with it to show you our favorite sides with this meal, which is some golden buttery potatoes and also some delicious creamy spaghetti. So let's get started.
Que quede así, que no se vaya a quemar. Solo es una pasadita, que quede gratinado.
The Oaxaca cream you get from Vallarta.
Cotija, rallado el mexicano, marca el mexicano, sorry. Pero el sabor de los quesos, la combinación es la que da el sabor.
Ooh, it's so creamy and delicious.
Entonces ahora, para ver lo cremoso, se pueden dar cuenta. ¿Cuándo sabes que ya están listas para sacar, a pelar? Cuando tocas la parte de aquí y se hunde fácilmente así, ¿ve? Tipo juliana, corte juliana se llama este. Bueno, ese tipo bajito, ¿no? Doraditas. Está bueno.
Now we take those chopped onions that we had earlier and we put those in first. Now the tomatoes. Ooh, that looks so good.
Le vamos a poner un poco de...
This is where the Worcestershire sauce comes in. You're gonna put a little bit on each of the steaks, but just a little bit, guys. Just a couple little drops. My mom goes a little crazy, but it's up to you.
Ya está, mira que está ahí sangre. Ya le cambió el color a la carne, ¿ves? Voy a poner comenzamos a dar vueltas. Mira. ¿Ves?
Alright guys, so we finished our Bistec, and my mom killed it today. I mean, golden brown potatoes, delicious, delicious, medium, because we like medium, cooked beef. So we're excited to try some, but I'm going to show the real judge, and I'm going to film my dad actually eating this. So, buen provecho!
Rico.
Delicioso.